Alright, my people, welcome back onto this level, onto this channel. No be something, still on the matter. Yoruba nation, no going back. Exactly waiting to be, exactly waiting the people. Them they talk about it. Yes, so on to the next level, police don't confirm kidnap of redeemed church pastor and 14 others. Now they don't start it to they do investigation. Now, according to the police, they don't they talk say investigation is in progress. Update will be provided accordingly. The police don't talk this one. Yes, now I think everybody don't hear many things what they happen before for this Obodo Yoruba. Now everybody come outside they want to say they don't want to make all this thing they happen. Now he make it Chief Sunday but will come outside. Now he make it Professor Banji Akintoye they pariwo all the time say like this so make we go we separate ways because I just talk this thing finishing now never to take we be say I talk say the reason why be say Yoruba nation agitators still there on the point to say make we go up separate ways. Now him be the thing where they happen so now him be the thing where we they see so because all these Fulani people they no one agree for us at all. See as then don't stop us to they go our farm they want make it hunger finish us now he make it more aladikun Sunday Igbowo come outside say make it better make it all this Fulani come out for we land because waiting then they do no good at all. Now everybody don't talk many things so according to the investigation we then say they go on the police for Oyo state they don't say they don't start to they commence their own investigation into the kidnapping of a pastor of the Redeemed Christian Church of God RCCG Olugbenga Olawore and then 14 others, making them 15 people, just like that. For inside church, waiting the happen, waiting the sup. Now him be the thing where we say we they talk about. Now the police people, according to the police public relation officer Adewale Oshifeso, he don't confirm the incident in a text message to the news agency of Nigeria NAN on Sunday. Well, onto the thing we be say, Mr. Oshifoso said, he said that the command don't start investigation into the matter. Investigation is in progress, so update will be provided accordingly. Please, Mr. Oshifeso, don't talk this one. Meanwhile, Mr. Olawore is currently a pastor at the Evans Gate Parish Redeemed Christian Church of God, Lagos, Province 73. Along Agbara Lusada Road in Ogun State. And onto this one, then tell us that the cleric was returning from Ipakpo town where he went to put the final touches on the burial arrangement for his mother, Deborah Olawore, scheduled for 26 April this 2024, and see waiting comes up now. Somebody will be saying, "Console kill, make him just go quickly, make arrangement to say mama pie." Say make him go make arrangement to make things for better. Now there these people take hijack am for road. Ma tell her see all this thing it can happen to anybody. Either on a like am or not, it can happen to anybody. That is why they don't talk am. So make everybody cooperate. All those people where they say, you know, concern me, she be na for Ibadan. This one they happen. Me where they Lagos, me where they Port Harcourt, me where they Calabar. They know they reach that side. My brother, my sister, this one no be joke again. No, them feel reach anywhere. The thing where be say people go they talk or be say all this Yoruba people. I like that adage where they go say any kolomo. If you never reach you no go know. Na person where be say the thing don't touch where we shoe way tight. Now they know where if they paint charm. Now for all this thing for them not to happen, now it make us all come outside come they talk say I beg you make them allow us make we go with separate ways. Now Chief Sunday Igbowo and the Professor Banji Akintoye, according to the news with the year, they don't carry letter go give the president of this country say like this so we don't tire, we won't go our separate ways. because wetin dis Fulani people dey do us no be better thing at all, no be small something at all. Now make una come see wetin dis the Democratic Republic of the Yoruba people dey do. Dis Dupe Onidoti faction, we don already see wetin their plan be, to just distract the movement, make dem come say this Yoruba nation sef make dem stop. Say we no wan hear them again, of which they don even start to dey talk that thing. Say we no wan hear them again, oh, make them stop all this thing wey dem dey do. And then we don talk am before and we go talk am again. If not for the fact say this Yoruba nation movement dem dey on board, only God na him know wetin for don happen for this obodo Yoruba. Now everybody don come outside say like this, oh, we no go, we need to actually go our separate ways. Say the hardship we done too much. The hardship we done too much. Another thing wey come dey surprise me be say many people we be say wan go buy market for their hand, before dem go dey shout, hey, na because the dollar don high, dollar don go up, dollar don do this. Say na him dey make all of them dey say things go dey cost, na him make them raise the price of everything. My brother, my sister, now the dollar don come down well. As e don come down well, so these people, I can't ask one of them, say, oga, wetin dey happen wey be say na go dey set things cost like this? Shebi dollar don come down. Na him the man dey tell me say, na true you talk, say dollar don come down, but the truth to be say all the market wey they don buy when be say dollar high, na him dem dey try make them sell. And for market too, all those one too, they no wan sell any market again. So now come tell me how the thing want to come down. Now in the thing come surprise me. I come say, you see, now waiting with the talk of that, because there is no love, there is no togetherness. One addendum wey be say we suppose dey, e no dey. Now this one go say na me be leader, the other one go say na me be leader, you go your own, make I go my own, of which at the end of the day na the same goal. Then they talk to say they wan achieve. Chief Sunday Igboho, he don dey there before this woman come inside. They come say she sef wan join the thing wey they come say na Omoluka even introduce am to this level. After they don introduce this man to this level, this woman to this level, now don see as everything don dabaru. Now wetin we dey talk about that. This life, e no balance at all. Now everybody don dey cry, they don dey shout, say like this, make things for happen, make things rain, make things dey okay. If they want make all those things dey okay, they must catch this woman. In fact, the government must declare this woman wanted, or else my brother, my sister, afinosi ori leson na him me. You understand them? All right, now so it can be unto this one, my people. We are saying make into now as they happen, as they go till I come on our way next time, my brother, my sister. I say on a bye for now.